Welcome home, Daddy! Welcome to Playa! Playa de Luz. Ito yung hotel namin. Finally nakarating din. Ito na ang aming mga doggies. Hi! Welcome home!
How many rooms?
Welcome to Playa. Playa Resort. Wow!
Nag-iinit sa room!
Wow! Ha?
Next.
Yan si Kuya.
May gamit pa doon.
Hi! Welcome to your new home.
Welcome to our
Welcome to Japan.
new home.
Welcome to your new birthday girl. Welcome to your home for one day. Ito yung accommodation namin.